In the annals of medical history there are stories of survival. Then there is the story of Phineas Gage. It is September 1848 in Cavendish, Vermont. A 25-year-old foreman is about to become the most famous medical case in the world. But he wouldn't be famous for how he died, but for what he lived through, and the man he became afterward. Gage was a man of his time, reliable, smart, and efficient foreman. He was packing explosive powder into a rock drill hole with a tamping iron, a solid rod over 3 feet long and 13 pounds. In a split second, a spark, a detonation, and the impossible happened. The iron rod shot upward like a spear, entering his left cheek and exiting through the top of his skull. It landed yards behind him, stained with blood and brain matter. Phineas Gage didn't just survive the impossible. He walked away from it, talking, almost immediately. Physically he healed. But his friends, his family, and his employers noticed something chilling. He was there, but he was gone. The man they knew had evaporated. He became fitful, profane, impatient, and unable to hold on to a plan. As Dr. John Harlow famously recorded, Gage was no longer Gage. We now know he suffered massive damage to his frontal lobes, specifically the ventromedial prefrontal cortex. This case forced the 19th century medical world to realize that personality, social judgment, and morality weren't just abstract concepts of the soul. They were biological. They were, in a very real sense, located in your head. We are only a few pounds of matter away from becoming someone else. Phineas Gage remains our most haunting reminder of that fragility. He lived, he changed, and in doing so he showed us who we are.